Hello friends, my name is Anubhav and today's date is the 13th September 2021 and today's video topic is explaining queries in SQL. So query display the names, first name, last name using alias name, first name, comma, last name. Select first name, the last name as a first name, last name as a last name from write a query to get unique department ID from employee table. So select distinct department ID from category to get the details of all employees according to the first name in descending order. Select star from employees order by first name BSC. So write a query to get the employee ID, name, first name, last name, salary in a ascending order of per salary. So select employee ID, first name, comma last name, comma salary from employees ordered by salary. So particular to get the maximum and minimum salary from employees table. So select max salary, comma mean salary from employees order by salary. Write a query to get the average salary and the number of employees in the employees table. So select average salary, comma count star from employees order by salary. So write a query to get the number of employees working with the company. So select count star from employees order by salary. Write a query to get the number of designations available in the employees table. So select distinct job ID from employees. Write a query get all first name from employees table in uppercase. Select upper first name as a first name from employees. Write a query to get the first three characters of the first name of all the employees. So select substring first name, comma 1, comma 3 from employees. Write a query to calculate 171 into 214 plus 625. Select 171 star 214 plus 625, uh, restricting and sorting data. Write a query to display the name, first name, last name, and salary for all employees whose salary is not in the range 10,000 to 15,000. Select first name, comma last name, comma salary from employees where salary not between 10,000 and 15,000. Write a query to display name, first name, last name, and department ID of all employees in the department 30 or 100 in ascending order. So select first name, comma last name, comma department ID from employees, where department ID in 30, comma 100 order by department ID. Write a query to display the name and salary for all employees whose salary is not in the range 10,000 to 15,000 dollar are in a department 30 or 100. Select first name, comma last name, comma salary, department ID from employees where salary not between 10,000 to 15,000 and department ID in 30, comma 100. Write a query to display the name, first name, last name, and hire date for all employees who were hired in 1987. Select first name, comma last name, comma hire date, department ID from employees where hire date like 1987%. Write a query to display the first name of all employees who have both double inverted B and double inverted C in their first name. Select first name from employees where first name like percentage B, percentage C in percentage. Write a query to display the last name, comma job, comma and a salary for all employees whose job is that of a programmer or a shipping clerk and salary is not equal to 400 $4,500 to $10,000 and $15,000. Select last name, job ID, uh, comma salary from employees where job ID in IT, prop, SH clerk and salary not in 4,500, 10,000 and 15,000. Write a query to display the last name of employees whose name have exactly 6 characters. Select last name, length, last name from employees where length last name equals to 6. Write a query to display the last name of employees having E as the third character. So select last name from employees where last name like E%. So write a query to display the job designations available in the employees table. Select listings job ID from employees. Write a query to display the name, uh, first name, our last name, salary and PF 50% of salary of all employees. Select first name, our last name, our salary into 0.15 as a PF from employees. Write a query to select all record from employees where last name in a blank Scott, King and Ford. Select star from employees where last name in double inverted black, comma King, comma Ford, comma Scott. So aggregate functions, write a query to list the number of jobs available in the employees table. Select count job ID from employees. Write a query to get the total salaries payable to employees. Select some salary from employees. Write a query to get the minimum salary from employees table. Select mean salary from employees. Write a query to get the maximum salary of an employee working as a programmer. Select max salary from employees where job ID equals to IT prog. Write a query to get the average salary and the number of employees working the department 19. So select average salary to count from employees where department ID equals to 19. Write a query to get the highest or lowest or sum and average salary of the employee. Select max salary as a max cell, comma mean salary as a mean cell, comma sum salary as sum, comma average salary as a average from employees. Write a query to get the number of employees with the same job. Select job ID count from employees group by job ID. Write query to get the difference between the highest and lowest salaries. Select max salary or mean salary as a difference from employees. Write a query to find the manager ID and the salary of the lowest paid employee for that manager. Select manager ID, mean salary from employees group by manager ID. Write a query to get the department ID and the total salary payable in each department. So select department ID from some salary from employees group by department ID. Write a query to get the average salary for each job ID excluding programmer. Select job ID, comma average salary from employees where not job ID equals to it prog group by job ID. So thank you.